Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon. Welcome. So today I'm making, happy St. Patrick's Day everyone. So today I'm gonna quickly show you guys, I'm gonna make a Shamrock Shake. So it's St. Patrick's Day tomorrow because today's Friday is March 16th, tomorrow is the 17th, Saturday. So here's the thing. So do you know what's in the McDonald's Shamrock Shake? Okay, so here we go. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a healthier version of the Shamrock Shake. So the McDonald's Shamrock Shake has vanilla reduced fat ice cream and a Shamrock syrup that they use, a Shamrock Shake syrup, which guys total is a lot of fructose corn syrup. It's about 93 grams of sugar in that shake. Okay, so you might want to stay away from that. So if you're craving that Shamrock Shake, so I'm going to show you guys how to make your own today, healthier version. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my little magic bullet blender here. Okay guys, so we can get started and making our own healthy Shamrock Shake, okay, that you guys are just gonna absolutely love. So as I'm going through this, write the recipe down and make it and make the shake and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so first thing we're gonna put, I have a handful of baby organic spinach. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a handful. I'm tearing it apart here. Put a handful of the baby organic shrimp, okie dokie, in my little blender here. Again, I'm putting it in my magic bullet, and again I have the organic baby spinach. Okay, next you need a medium half of avocado. So take an avocado, cut in half. You just need a half of this. So I'm going to take this, I'm scooping it out here with my little spoon here. So I'm going to scoop out a half of a medium avocado, and there we go. So we got some spinach, baby spinach. We have a half of a medium avocado. We scoop that in there. Okay, so we're making progress here. Okay, next I'm gonna add a cup of coconut milk unsweetened. Now you can get the can of coconut milk fat, the full fat, that's fine. Okay, but I'm gonna put a cup of coconut milk in here. A cup of coconut milk. Okay, and so you guys can see what I'm using. I'm using the organic unsweetened coconut milk. That's what I'm using. Okay, so we got the coconut milk is in there with the baby spinach and the avocado. Okay, half a medium avocado. Next we're gonna put the the recipe calls again. So this recipe is coming from Erin Nielsen. Forgot to mention her. She's a lady I follow here. Awesome lady, about my age. She looks fabulous. She only eats clean. I love the way she eats. So she's sharing this recipe. So I'm just gonna spreading the love, guys. Spreading the love. Okay, so what she actually calls for so this is my teaspoon, little spoon here. My little teaspoon here. So 1 teaspoon. So I'm putting in the pure organic maple syrup. Again, pure organic maple syrup. Okay, but she calls for the raw organic honey. So I don't have the raw organic honey, so I'm gonna just put in a teaspoon of pure, 100% pure maple syrup. Okay, teaspoon of that, and then you're gonna put a teaspoon of pure organic pure vanilla extract. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put that in here also. Okay, 1 teaspoon of pure organic vanilla extract. Okay, and then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon. This is pure peppermint extract, or if you have peppermint essential oil, you can use that too. But I have the peppermint extract, the pure peppermint extract, so you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of that as well. And peppermint is very strong, so I just put a little. Okay, so we got a teaspoon of the peppermint extract, a teaspoon of organic pure organic vanilla extract, a teaspoon of 100% pure maple syrup. And then the last ingredient you can use is you can put a half of banana, or you can put a scoop of protein powder, vanilla protein powder. So I'm using my vanilla protein powder here, using a scoop of that. Just gonna put that in there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the last ingredient. So that's all you need. So this is just it. You put it all in your little blending cup here. I'm gonna put the lid on, turn it upside down, shake it up, and blend it. And that's it, guys. That's it. So you can make your own Shamrock Shake without all the, you know, extra with all the high corn sucrose syrup, you know, all the added sugar that's in, you know, the ones that sell at McDonald's, the ones that are out there that probably have a lot of sugar in it. So you want to be very careful of that. So there you go, guys. I just shared a menu, a recipe. You guys can make your own Shamrock Shake. And this is the final product. So here we go. So this is mine. I just, you know, made some. I'm gonna make some more because I love it. And guys, it tastes wonderful. So here's the final product. Look at that nice green color. You guys can see the nice green, fabulous color. It tastes like peppermint, actually. Good. Taste the peppermint. So good. It's delicious. So I'm gonna sip on that and enjoy my Shamrock Shake. Woo-hoo. Anyway, so that's it, guys. I shared the recipe with you. Share it with your family and friends. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Go make your own Shamrock Shake. Don't go buy the ones out there. There's too much sugar in them. You want to stay with my added sugar. Definitely want to do that. So, you know, I hope you got value in this. Share the video. Anyone, you know, help your family and friends out. And if you do make the Shamrock Shake, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what, you know. Come back to the video, comment, and let me know what you thought. So anyways, it's very, you know, the ingredients, it's not a lot of, not a lot of ingredients, very inexpensive. So go try it out this weekend, guys, and let me, again, like I said, provide me feedback, let me know what your thoughts are. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. This is G here signing off. Have a wonderful weekend, fabulous weekend. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone, and I'll see you all on Monday, God willing, on my next Health Tip. Have a wonderful day.